Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time now for a small love bite for you. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Virgo, what message wants to show through for you today. Of course, this is going to be, Five of Swords. That's like a battle card, Virgo. What's going on? I'm going to keep this card aside now that it's decided to show face. I hope it's not part of your reading. So, as I said, this is going to be a small 9-card spread just to check on your energies and see what message wants to show through. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so the Hanged Man, Strength, the Magician, 5 of Cups in reverse, 8 of Cups, center of my spread, King of Wands, 10 of Wands, Virgo, what's happening here? And the 7 of Pentacles. Alright, bottom of my spread, I do have a 4 of Wands, which is a beautiful card, and it's in the upright, Virgo. So I really don't know what's going on here, except that center of my spread, I have the 8 of Cups, which means somebody has walked away or is planning to walk away. Maybe been waiting for a very long time and trying to manifest or wait or be very strong, but been dealing with somebody who was a bit self-centered. This is becoming a little bit of a burden. Virgo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then I'll start clarifying these cards. Virgo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. They could say something to each other now. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. And I'll take a couple more from here. Virgo and their person. Alright, good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are there to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I'm an understanding person and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you are not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more every time. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. I only want 2 things in life, everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. I did say the central theme of this read was somebody walking away. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand I need time. All right, Virgo, if this is resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have to say to you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Blessing, guidance, forgiveness. Don't be too hard on yourself, Virgo. Sometimes, you found it, and forgiveness, 2 cards. All right, so I don't know what this is. Maybe you have to forgive your partner, or maybe you just have to forgive yourself once you find out the truth about whatever your truth is. So don't be too hard on yourself, okay? I think first and foremost priority that we have to have is oneself. If you're blaming yourself or trying to tell yourself, I could have done better and this wouldn't have happened or that couldn't have happened, maybe this is just a lesson and now you've kind of understood the lesson. You found it. This could also be, maybe, you'll have to forgive your person. I don't know. Let's go on with the reading and find out why these cards are here. So, Spirit, what's this Hanged Man for Virgo? Hanged Man. Oh, starts and ends with the first same card, Virgo. 7 of Pentacles as clarifying the first card, and I have the 7 of Pentacles as your last card as well. So somebody is very dissatisfied at this stuck energy. Not happy that things haven't maybe prospered or grown, wasted time, energy, effort, or maybe that's the way you see your partner, that they are just not moving, they're not investing into this connection. Yes, you feel betrayed. Somebody here feels totally betrayed at being kept hanging, literally, and nothing kind of really fructifying here. Strength, Spirit? What's the Strength card? Strength card. Somebody is realizing now that their bad behavior or their lying or cheating has ended up hurting their partner. Oh yes, big hurt. Yes, look at this. The minute I said hurt, I get the 3 of Swords. So somebody is realizing that, all their sneaky behavior has actually backfired on them. And it's led to no communication between the two of you, Virgo. I hope this is a reading just for a few of you and not too many of you out there, because this is like, somebody has been holding back. Their holding back has actually caused this connection to backfire on them. They do want to come and apologize though. They do want to say sorry because now... Okay, so what's this Magician, Spirit? What's this Magician trying to say here, do here? What is this Magician trying to manifest? Magician. Magician, Spirit. Magician. Similar cards are popping out for you, Virgo. I have the 5 of Cups in reverse and it's clarified by a 5 of Cups in reverse. Somebody is trying to... I don't know. This is some sneaky behavior. I don't know. I don't want to comment on it too much because somebody feels there is no news, there is no excitement. Some things have come out in the open, maybe about somebody's very immature behavior or something like that, and they see their person as single or very self-sufficient. They do want to come out of this feeling of regret and sorrow. This Magician does want to come out of this feeling of regret and sorrow, and they do wish to have an equal partnership again. 5 of Cups, Spirit. There is love here, Virgo. There is love here. There is somebody who's still trying to manifest this soulmate bond, this connection, this happiness. And they do want to come out of feeling that, I lost my chance. Who walked away, Spirit? 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Somebody made a choice here. because this waiting, I think, became overwhelming. Somebody was always alone or stressed out or, having nightmares and not being able to sleep, worried. And somebody, I think, this Nine of Pentacles, this feminine energy, I think, either there was a fight you guys had, there were some harsh words that were spoken, and due to that, somebody made a decision here to walk away from this connection. Not wanting to be in competition, not wanting to fight anymore. King of Wands in reverse. Yeah, they felt that person was being very selfish, very self-centered, always breaking promises. They feel this King of Wands, who is a promise breaker or is not doing the right thing, they've caused this entire structure of this beautiful union to collapse. Tower in reverse. Yes, even though it's not making somebody very happy, I think this feminine energy has decided now to take care of themselves. They've decided to concentrate on loving themselves, and not be so concerned about somebody who's never stepping up to the plate. Ten of Wands, Spirit. Ten of Wands. Yes, this became too much of a burden. This always staying in confusion, always never knowing where this connection is going. It was getting a little burdening for one person, that I can't carry all the, wands. I'm tired as well. I need a partner who can share my load here. I'm always left in that la-la land of not knowing where, whether we are together or not. There was absolutely no emotional happiness, no long-term emotional happiness, I think, which was being offered. So, Ten of Cups in reverse. Ten of Cups in reverse. Ten of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, I think this feminine has finally decided that I'm going to now call the shots here. I'm now stronger. I'm not going to allow bullshit anymore. Have never been emotionally happy here, and I'm going to now bring a stop to this. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Oh, Ten of Cups again in reverse. Somebody's been very dissatisfied. This started with this card, right? Seven of Pentacles. This is a card of investment. Somebody putting in, time and effort. But this person is looking a little sad and disappointed that, all the time, effort has led me nowhere. Ten of Cups in reverse. So I think somebody's making up their mind here to kind of walk away. What's this Four of Wands, Spirit? Which was the overall energy of our reading. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Oh, somebody wanted victory in this connection because the love is there. The love was always there. They didn't want to fight. They didn't want to be in competition. They now feeling like a loser because all somebody wanted was long-term happiness, Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and victory. And victory in this connection. So, right now, I don't know what's going to happen next. The next reading will tell us. But right now, I think there's been some kind of a power struggle here where there's been a broken heart and now no communication. Somebody's kind of made up their mind to walk away and heal. Yeah. Spirit, what's this Five of Swords which popped out earlier? Five of Swords. It's a power struggle about an offer which was probably not given. Yes, there's somebody here. This King of Wands character is now showing up as the Emperor in reverse. Somebody who's a false emperor. No, I'm not saying false like that, but somebody who likes to be in control in not the best way. It's always like my way or the highway, and never really offering maybe their person the right kind of offer which somebody's been waiting for a very long time, right? So yes, somebody is reclaiming their power and saying, hey, if you're always going to keep me, in limbo, if you're always going to keep me confused, if I'm going to carry all the weight of this connection by myself, and there's absolutely no emotional happiness to be had, then yes, my sword is up, right? So that's all I have for you, Virgo. I hope things get settled soon. I will delve deeper into this energy next Thursday to see really what's going on and why all this confusion is happening, okay? Because I do see there's a lot of love here. This is a soulmate connection. So, till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.